You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words once and for all correctly. In English, top word cap. How to pronounce in English? Cap. The bottom word is cab. Top word cap means a type of hat. Cab is a taxi. Cab. They're both pronounced similarly initially. It's just the last letter changes. Cap versus cab. How to pronounce in English? Pronunciation: cap or cab. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.